Welcome to Artavia, one of the most vibrant and thoughtfully designed communities in Conroe, Texas. Nestled in the heart of the forest, Artavia blends nature, modern living, and a true sense of community. As we drive through the main entrance, you're immediately greeted by lush landscaping, wide boulevards, and the signature Artavia monument. Artavia is home to 10 of the area's top home builders, offering a wide range of architectural styles and floor plans. Whether you're looking for a cozy one-story or a spacious luxury home, there's something here for every lifestyle and budget. Each builder brings something unique, from cutting-edge energy efficiency to upscale finishes and flexible living spaces designed for modern families. And with homes starting in the 300s and going up to the 800s and more, there's truly a home for everyone. Our tour ends here at the crown jewel of the community, the Artavia Amenity Center on Little Buck Pond. Residents here enjoy state-of-the-art fitness center, cafe, splash pad, playgrounds, paddle boats, miles of nature trails, and events throughout the year. More than just a neighborhood, Artavia is a lifestyle. A place where neighbors become friends and where nature meets convenience, and where every day feels a little bit more inspired. Want to learn more about Artavia or take a private tour? I'm Michael Krinsky, your local Conroe real estate expert. Give me a call or click the link in the description to start your journey to Artavia today. And until next time, see y'all.